Madalas nating sinasabi or naririnig ang katagang, "To God be all the glory." Na actually, it's a heavy claim. Na if we are not careful, it can be blasphemous. When you say kasi, "To God be all the glory," meaning 100% wala kang kinalaman doon sa bagay na you are referring to. You're giving all the credit to God. Oo, napagod ka, pero you acknowledge na it's all because of Him. Oo, concept mo nga yun. Pero you acknowledge that it's impossible na maisip mo yung concept na yun without Him. It's you giving all the glory, not 99.99%. All. And if we don't really mean it, at sinasabi lang natin yung "to God be all the glory," to project to the world godliness, or humility, or it's a subtle flex, it can be blasphemous. You are just using His name for your reputation. So again, let me remind you, hindi ka magaling. At ang